Good afternoon from beautiful Malaysia. I'm in the city centre Kuala Lumpur, and behind me is Merdeka Square. Merdeka Square has two main spots. It has the pole with the flag of Malaysia, but it's the tallest pole with the flag of Malaysia. That's the right way to explain it. But also behind me, as you can see, over there is the old post office building. It is quite a unique architectural building. Exterior is beautiful. The road is completely closed because it's such a touristy spot. They closed off the road completely for tourists and locals alike to come here and take pictures. It is a pretty nice place to come and chill. I mean, there's this beautiful open grass field out there in case you want to just chill with the family. There's a lot of people here. Right now it's in the peak of the day. The sun's pretty much out at the moment, so hence I'm sweating bucket loads, which is my common terminology used out here since I've been in Malaysia, believe it or not. But I'm exploring this city centre today. I'm going to go around to a couple places, see what Kuala Lumpur city centre has to offer. Hopefully that should be an inclining factor when you guys see this vlog, what to come and see and what to avoid, I guess. So without further ado, let's go and explore. Behind me is a beautiful Sultan Abdul Samad building. It was built back in the 1800s. It's a government building. I don't think it's currently in use anymore, but it's a beautifully architectural, well-built building. Adjacent to it is the old post office in a similar style as that one, pretty much, just adjacent to it. And also, believe it or not, in Merdeka Square is the Malaysia's largest pole carrying the Malaysian flag right at the top there. Located behind me is the River of Life. It's located right by Masjid Jamek Sultan Abdul Samad, which is right in the city centre of Kuala Lumpur, and it's also the oldest masjid in Kuala Lumpur. It is a convergence between two rivers, the Gombak River and the Klang River.